Broken Arrow Ranch is located northeast of Farmington, California, near Milton in western Calaveras County. Located 30 miles from Oakdale, Lodi, and Jackson, this 160-acre working cattle and equestrian property is situated in the fertile and water-rich Milton Valley. The charming home has many custom features and expansive views of the ranch and beyond. The special property has pastures and grazing land, several outbuildings, a second dwelling, large shop, horse barns, corrals, tack buildings, ponds, a small orchard, greenhouse, garden, and more. The property entrance on Rock Creek Road leads you past irrigated pastures and horse barns up to the main home. Surrounding the ranch center are gently rolling hills and flat grazing land, a creek, ponds, oak trees, and grasses. Spectacular views of the region's foothills and Sierra Nevada range can be taken in from around the property with panoramic vistas from the home. The versatility and beautiful setting of this ranch provides a wonderful setting to host special celebrations and other functions. Clear night skies and gentle westerly breezes offer a quiet respite from the bustle of urban life. The beautifully appointed home has many upgrades and includes a finished attic loft. The naturally bright home has an entry area, kitchen, dining and living room, main bedroom with adjoining bathroom, 2 more bedrooms, an office multi-purpose room, a second dual entrance bathroom, and a mudroom laundry area. The large covered front porch offers shaded, expansive views, and a raised deck includes a hot tub and access to the second dwelling unit and landscaped yard. The basement gives access to a new HVAC system and storage area. The second house includes a covered porch area with garden, living room, kitchen and dining area, full bathroom, bedroom, private garden, and fully equipped canning room. A large 1,200 square foot shop highlights the many outbuildings, including RV storage, garage, multi-purpose building, chicken coop, livestock building, greenhouse, horse paddock, and 2-stall enclosed horse barn. Other buildings include a tack room, well pump house, carport, modular office storage building, dog kennels, and covered horse and cattle shelters. The ranch provides plenty of storage area for ranch and farming equipment, side-by-sides, boats, and trucks. A key feature of this property is the abundant water supply. A ground-level solar electric system, water softening, filtering system, and large water storage tank are also included. The ranch has new barbed wire fencing, livestock and horse pens, cross fencing, paddocks, chutes, stalls, and more. The property is currently used as a grass-fed cattle operation with chicken egg production and horse training facilities. It is well suited for cattle and horse grazing and other farm and ranch activities. The region supplies endless outdoor activities in the hills, mountains, lakes, rivers, and streams of the Gold Country and Sierra Nevada. New Hogan Lake, Comanche Reservoir, Hardy Lake, and the Calaveras and McCollumney rivers provide excellent fishing, boating, camping, and hiking. The Broken Arrow Ranch offers a lovely home, prized grazing land, and many ranching facilities, all in a peaceful, postcard-ready setting. Your dream ranch awaits you in the tranquil and picturesque Calaveras County, gateway to the Mother Lode. For a qualified showing of this special property, contact Kevin Brook